Hi all, welcome to Talur Investments. Today I have something new for you. I will give you short-term trades as well along with long-term ideas. Leave a comment and let me know if you want me to create a video on any technical jargons, trading strategies, basics of stock market, mutual funds, trading psychology or any other topic you want to learn. Please leave it in the comment section. Coming to the disclosure part, this channel is for educational purposes only, and any profits or losses made based on the recommendations in this channel, the author or Talur Investment is not responsible. And please don't forget to subscribe. Today's lesson: why do most investors do not make money in stock market? The main reason: patience. Market rewards only to those who have patience. If you know that you are holding the right stock, you need to hold it with patience. Many a times, stock will not move for a very long time, and one fine day, it spurts with full aggression. Let me explain this to you with an example. Your family member or you might be owning a Royal Enfield bike, which is manufactured by Eicher Motors. If the bike was bought 12 years ago during May 2009, it would have costed around 80k, assuming. The current market value after depreciation, wear and tear would be around 40,000 max. Assume if instead of buying this bike, you had invested in Eicher Motor stock, the market price per share was around 20 rupees. For 80,000 investment, you would have got around 4,000 shares. Do you know what is the current market price of Eicher Motors? Staggering 2,500 rupees per share. Now you tell me what is the worth of your investment now. 4,000 shares invested into 2,500 rupees current price will be equal to around 1 crore rupees. With this 1 crore rupees, you should be easily affording one super bike. And plus you will be holding some cash too after that. Let me take you to my short-term ideas. Stock number 1, BEL. Current market price is 137.1. It has a strong support at around 130 levels. And this level has been tested 2 times. This can mean that it might go higher. Stock number 2 is IOC. It is taking support at around 93. And if you join these lines to resistance and supports, you can see a small ascending triangle. Current market price is 98.05. Stock number 3 is Jubilant Foods. Current market price is 2,995. It has support at around 2,578. It has breached this previous resistance. Stock number 4 is LG Balakrishna. Current market price is 304.70. Support is at 285 levels, and this stock has to breach the previous resistance zone. And the stock number 5 is Mahanagar Gas Limited or MGL. Current market price is 1,158. Support is at 1,035 levels, and this stock has breached the previous resistance zones. And targets for all these stocks is: target 1 is 5%, target 2 will be 10%, and target 3 will depend on your expertise, and stop losses will be your support levels mentioned. Let us analyze the status of our long-term stocks. We have huge gains in Pyramid Industries around 30%, and for the rest of the stocks, it is still in wait mode. Patience is required. Please do leave a comment and subscribe to show support. Also like and share this video with your friends. You can ask about technical long-term outlook of your shares in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. See you soon.